This is going to be a quick video just on how to navigate your Career Tools website and find out where you want to go for what you want to do. There's your dashboard, which is quite basic, and it gives you a really clear indication of where different activities are. We'll be doing most of our activities from the left right through to the right hand side. There's no requirement to complete all of them, but they're definitely really useful for you if you want to learn a little bit more about yourself, learn about work in general, career exploration, how to prepare for work, if you're looking at part-time work at the moment, if you want to understand about workplace health and safety, there's some activities here, as well as the world of work and what to expect for the future. What skills do you need that you maybe do have but would like to improve on or don't have yet? How to create your own opportunities if being an entrepreneur is something you're interested in, which is quite common these days. And then post-school options and planning, which will be really useful for planning for your career investigation and course counselling. On the top left-hand side is your journey tab. It's the same order of what we've just gone through, but if you want to click on the sections and see more specifically what the different activities are, career exploration might be really good for you to do in your own time. You can explore school subjects and how they relate to your career, how to get into pathways and what that means. If you want to plan your career, there's a step-by-step activity for that as well. How to be successful. Preparing for work includes your resume, a cover letter, how to apply for jobs, and an interview. We'll be doing a lot of that work in class as well, but if you want to get a head start, this is a really good support resource to be using. Again, if you want to understand about workplace health and safety, rights and responsibilities, money and finance, future of work, etc., etc. So this left-hand side tab gives you a little bit more of a breakdown of the activities rather than going to the dashboard. On the right-hand side, there is a career toolbox, just some quick links. So personal statement tool, which is more for your resume and CV. Career planner, which is sort of here as well. Quick link to enterprise skills. But if you want to get back to the Mitcham Careers website, not the portal, you just click on this top link here and it will take you back. And there's a really interesting thing down here on the right-hand side called a career target. And if you have absolutely no idea what careers you're interested in, but you know that you've got one or two subjects that you really enjoy at school, generally people advise us to pick jobs that we enjoy. So it's good to think about what subjects we enjoy. So, if you really enjoy geography, what this does is it can tell you all the different career pathways that can lead out of an enjoyment of geography. So you can actually start your career investigation from there. So for example, trying to think one that interests me. A science field officer. Curious about that one? You might click on it and see where it takes you, and it gives you a bit of a rundown of that career. So if you really have absolutely no idea where to start, you might just think about what subjects you really enjoy and what career pathways are immediately available to you from that subject, and let yourself be directed from there. Good luck.